We're going to another village for sourcing of our goods. We want to enter speed train right now. So my supplier is taking me on a speed train. Okay. Obodo ndị ọcha, not like Nigeria. Obodo. So sitting on the Magena. Okay. Look at this one. Yeah.
Follow. The 6 car. Here's
six?
number 5. Yes, the six.
Okay, 756.
Yes.
All right.
The 6 car.
Six, seven. Is it? This is 6.
This one, 6 car.
Okay. Where is our seat number?
05.
05? Okay, I think you should be this one then.
Yes.
5 what?
The ABC. Yes. 05.
Okay.